quiet. We're gonna go spy on the guys and see what they're doing. All right, so we're gonna sneak up on him. Oh, he already spotted me. I'm recording you. ¿Qué pasó?
Yeah, boss. Taking a nap.
Again, you're sleeping on the job?
Yeah.
Oh, we're doing some new leveling jack legs, huh?
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Oh, it is a 2021. So,
Brand new.
brand new. Grand Design Solitude. They dropped it off the truck, huh?
I believe the previous repair shop, they were moving it and drop it.
Oh, geez. So you see we're on the upper level jack. Bertucci's replacing both of the front. He was telling me that they dropped it on the front of the, either at the shop or dropped it off the truck. So that's not good. So now they all know I'm over here. We got what's going on in the shop. We got Dave and Terry. Woo! Little R-Pod action. Some Montana. What do we got over here? We got some Jayco. What are we doing to the Jayco? Roof reseal. Do you know Montana was what, a roof reseal, body reseal, bunch of stuff? I think the R-Pod's what, an electrical issue or cooling unit.
No.
And then there's that.
What are you doing?
I just running around taking some video, you know.
Working. You're not working.
Man, I gotta go back to work.
Yeah.
So in case you wondered, we got two shops. Here's one of them. It's another back room. We got 3 lifts, 2 above ground, 1 in ground. Got a bunch of extra parts over here in the warehouse. The other shop over there. There's another big old huge parts room over there, more repair stuff. There's a wood shop, metal shop. We'll go into that. What's going on in the store? We got Vanessa hiding behind the counter. We got Sam hiding behind the other counter. Oh, Christina's in her office. Oh, hi, Christina. So that's Christina. Let's go see Miss Ashley. Ashley did a video, so today now I'm doing a little video. Oh, there she is, folks. Here's my desk. Notice it's fairly clean. It's probably because I don't do any work around here is what they'll tell you, but that's all lies. Some stuff on our board. You know, I can see the front door from here. So I just figured to show everybody a quick behind the scenes. And then there's the star of the show. Everybody, this is Hitch. Hitch is about 6.5 months old. And then Miss RV, she is about 1.5 years old. RV, what you doing? Want to go see some RVs? Yeah? Okay. Where's Hitch at? Oh, there he is. You just waking up from a nap? What are you doing? Yeah? Stretch it out.